Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm participating in a fall collaboration and it is called Fall in Love with Fall, hosted by Creative Glam. For this project I am using an 18-inch grapevine wreath purchased at Michael's. I will be using a garland all the way around the grapevine wreath. I will be securing it with chenilles or pipe cleaners, and I will cut them in quarter pieces. My favorite part of this DIY is this adorable little squirrel. Look how precious, and he really has a fluffy tail. I will be adding rice lights that I found on clearance at Hobby Lobby for $2.24. They're usually $8.99, so that was a great deal. Real pretty. I will be adding a few pine cones and acorns and beautiful little berries. Look how pretty. So my intention is for the little squirrel to be sitting in a bed of flowers, enjoying some acorns. If you're new to my channel, I want to say thank you so much for stopping in. I hope that you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I want to also say hello to all my subscribers, my friends and family here on YouTube. Y'all are just wonderful and precious to me. I'm going to cut the chenilles into quarter pieces and I will be securing the garland with the chenilles or the pipe cleaners. I'm just using quarter pieces because I just think you don't really need a whole piece. You just need a little bit. So you can take any kind of garland from any craft store, the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and follow the same steps. When I make my wreaths, I like to put them up on a door. So I'm going to hang it here in the kitchen, and there's good light here in the kitchen. Look how adorable this is. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Honestly, I don't know this is going to make it to my front door. I'm going to have this little guy looking at me all the time. He is just so cute and precious. So I'm going to lay out all the bunches of flowers and berries and whatnot, and I'm eyeing it, seeing where I want to put it. Once it's in place, then you can go ahead and glue it. I hope this video has encouraged you and inspired you to be creative. And here's my little squirrel friend. He is just so precious. Alright, don't y'all forget I have friend mail and I also have email on my about page. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my fall wreath. To secure the squirrel down, I'm going to put a chenille behind his back, between his tail right there, and kind of like pull it through. And then I'm going to stick it on in through the back of this grapevine. So now I'm just adding my acorns and my pine cones and just hot gluing them here and there. The wonderful thing about these rice lights, they are so thin and they're so workable and manageable, and you can just tuck them in and you don't have to glue it down. They go around really well. And so for the control box, I'm going to stick it in the back and tuck it through one of the grapevines. And it will be very secure. I'm just going to show you a view of the control box and the little squirrel and how he's tied down in the back. What I like about these lights is that they're on a timer, and so they will stay on for 6 hours and then they will go off for 18, and then they'll come back on for 6 hours, and I just love that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and I just hope you love this little squirrel. You can choose any kind of cute little animal you want to put in there, or you don't have to put one in there at all. Now you know me, I've got to have a bird in there. It just wouldn't be complete without it. Thank you, Sharon at Creative Glam, for hosting this collaboration and letting us all participate. Please check out the other creators in the playlist down below. Alright, beautiful friends, until next time, y'all be blessed.